This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zwift Companion App. Immediately after connecting, you can easily browse upcoming events or join a group ride. This powerful tool acts as your personal command center, helping you prepare for your next virtual adventure on Zwift. Use intuitive filters to find specific events by sport type, desired time, or even rider level. This ensures you never miss a perfect workout or thrilling race, keeping your cycling journey exciting and well-organized. While riding in Zwift, your companion app transforms into an invaluable live control panel. You can easily send positive encouragement or ride-ons to any rider within approximately 50 meters, fostering great community spirit. Engage in real-time chat with your group, making social rides truly interactive. Effortlessly activate power-ups, choose your route at intersections, and instantly see detailed metrics like your speed, distance, and current wattage. The Companion app offers a vast library of structured workouts and training plans, helping you achieve your fitness goals. Easily browse through options like FTP Builder or 60-Minute Smasher, reviewing duration and target intensity before you begin. You can even design and save custom workouts, giving you complete control over your training regimen. These resources empower you to train effectively, whether preparing for a century ride or just improving your general fitness. Connecting with fellow cyclists is a core feature of the Companion app, enhancing your social experience. Find and follow friends, allowing you to quickly see their activity and invite them to ride. Join clubs based on your interests, perhaps for a racing team or a casual social group. You can also organize meetups, inviting up to 100 people for a private group ride. Receiving notifications when friends jump on keeps you engaged and connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.